Hi, welcome back to my channel. We are trying first time Filipino street food. So this is our taster. I'm actually not allowed to eat street food because I'm allergic. So how do you eat with that? Aren't you like going to dip it in sauce?
No. Yeah.
Hot dog. Dai, makaon kami subong sang ano.
You put in your mouth after dip. You put in your mouth and then you do this.
You swallow.
No, you don't
Are you not gonna chew?
I did.
You said you're just gonna place it in your mouth and you're not gonna chew.
Guys,
Lagot, buong gabi ko siyang magiging kasama. Wala.
torture ako ni Jess.
Anyway, Daya, ang masok kayo sa bag, makikita niyo yan. Yan. Kita niyo. Okay, tik-tik niyo lang yan. Bang sasarap. For the low price of 50 pesos. And tipid sa pamasahe. Doon, isa pa. Okay na yun? Okay na yun? Yeah.
Tikim lang.
So later, magpapapicture kami sa coasters. Next stop. Pid ng isang linggo, ginastos ng isang araw. Hey, HM.
Parcel pa mo.
Parcel. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pa. Oh, next stop. Next stop. Pangatlong stop, luta naman na.
Hello guys! So, gusto namin magpa-picture sa may balit kaso naiyak kami. Buds! Wait for me! Wait for me, Buds. Ano, Buds?
Saan?
Kita gusto ko i-zoom yung
Ano? Nabaing brightness?
ay kaki. Sayang.
Mani, hinahiro brightness. Tapos, selfie tayo. Angat mo, di sila kita. Ayan o.
Dito. Dito, kita Rose. Kita Rose tayo.
Wala na doon si James.
Mantabaw na.
Often possessing enchanting powers, they are central to many fairy tale stories, offering wisdom or assistance to the protagonist.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone!
Everyone, Happy New Year!
So we're looking for our friends na. Oh, yan, nagbablog si Kabads. Proud tita. Hi, Bads.
Ariel.
Hi. Hi.
Ariel is the adventurous and curious mermaid princess from the Disney's the title The Little
Wala akong
Mermaid.
makita.
You wanna give this to me? Thank you.
Hey. May nagbabardagulan dito sa likod namin, oh. Ay, thank you so much for watching.